Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be going over the top 10 rules of game development, so let's just get started with that. Number 1. Start with a strong concept. A good game starts with a solid concept or idea. This can be a unique gameplay mechanic, an interesting setting or story, or a new twist on an existing idea. It is important to have a clear and compelling concept before starting development, as it will guide the direction of the project and help keep the team focused. Number 2. Keep it simple. It is important to focus on a few key elements and do them well rather than trying to include too many features and overwhelming the player. This is known as the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. By keeping the game focused and streamlined, you can create a more enjoyable and polished experience for the player. Number 3. Play to your strength. Develop games that play to your team's strength and interest. This will help you create a better game and enjoy the development process more. For example, if your team is particularly skilled at creating artwork, consider making a game that puts a strong emphasis on visual design. Number 4. Test. Playtesting is an essential part of game development. It allows you to find and fix problems, balance gameplay, and gather feedback from players. Playtesting can be done at various stages of development, and it's important to involve a diverse group of testers to get a wide range of perspectives. Number 5. Be open to change. It is normal for a game to change and evolve during development. Be open to new ideas and be willing to make changes that will improve the game. This can include changing gameplay mechanics, redesigning levels, or even scrapping an entire feature if it's not working. Number 6. Stay organized. Good organization is key to keeping a game development project on track. Use tools such as project management software to help you stay organized. This can include things like task lists, schedules, and version controls. Number 7. Communicate effectively. Good communication is essential for any team, and it's especially important in game development where different people are working on different aspects of the game. Make sure to keep everyone informed about the project's progress and any changes that are made. Number 8. Set realistic goals. It's important to set realistic goals and deadlines for each stage of development. This will help you stay on track and avoid getting overwhelmed. It's better to set smaller achievable goals than to try and bite off more than you can chew. Number 9. Take breaks. Game development can be intense, and it's important to take breaks to rest and recharge. This will help you stay fresh and creative. It's okay to take a step back and take a break when you need it. Number 10. Have fun. Above all, remember to enjoy the process of game development. It can be challenging at times, but it can also be an incredibly rewarding experience. Don't lose sight of why you got into game development in the first place, and have fun creating something you're proud of. Thank you so much for watching. This list was helped put together by Assistant, a large language model trained by OpenAI. I feel that everyone should go over and check out ChatGPT. I truly do. It is really an astonishing piece of work. If you disagree with anything in this video, let me know in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.